No.
Sing.
Yeah.
Sing. Something that we wear.
No.
I think.
Or how?
No.
Something about payroll nga. Something about payroll.
No
Payroll.
coaching, please.
Okay, something about payroll.
No coach.
Time sheet. Thing we saw it in the office.
No.
No. Something in the payroll. System.
No.
Looking at me. Payroll.
Category.
Payroll. It's a thing that we saw it every payroll, or we just we do it every payroll answer.
Yes.
In pay, is it time sheet?
1 minute remaining.
You said it's 10 minutes.
No, 2 minutes only.
2 minutes.
Payroll.
Yes.
We said in the third floor. Third floor. Payroll.
Fourth floor.
Thing.
Yes.
How many syllables? One.
No.
One.
No.
Three.
No.
Four.
Yes.
Four. Three.
No.
Five.
How many minutes?
30 seconds remaining. 30 seconds.
Five.
No.
Six.
Yes.
Wow, too long. Is it
10 minutes.
payroll term?
Yes.
Term?
Yes. Yes.
5 seconds.
Process?